alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, take a nap, nap, nap. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. We're learning animals right now. D is for dog, woof, woof, woof. E is for elephant, big and poof. F is for fox, so sly and quick. Safari fun, it's our pick. A, B, C, come sing with me. Roar and jump on the safari. From jungle trees to buzzing bees. Learn your ABCs with me. A, B, C, come sing with me. Roar and jump on the safari. From jungle trees to buzzing bees. Learn your ABCs with me. G is for giraffe, tall and proud. H is for hippo, splash so loud. I is for iguana, green and small, crawling slowly by the wall. J is for jaguar, fast and strong. K is for kangaroo, hop along. L is for lion, king of the land, waving his tail so grand. A, B, C, come sing with me. Roar and jump on the safari. From jungle trees to buzzing bees. Learn your ABCs with me. M is for monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is for newt, a tiny thing. O is for owl, hoot at night, eyes so big and bright. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for quail, take flight. R is for rabbit, hop, 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 never wants to stop. Run through the jungle, swim the sea, climb the mountains, wild and free. Animals letters one by one, learning ABCs is fun. S is for snake, slither slow. T is for tiger, watch him go. U is for unicorn, just pretend, a magic friend to the end. V is for vulture, flying high. W is for wheel, splashing by. X is for x-ray, fish so neat, see his bones from head to feet. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, stripes so long. We've learned them all from A to Z. Come sing again with me. A, B, C, come sing with me. Roar and jump on the safari. From jungle trees to buzzing bees. Learn your ABCs with me. A, B, C, come sing with me. Roar and jump on the safari. From jungle trees to buzzing bees. Learn your ABCs with me. A, B, C, come sing with me. Roar and jump on the safari. From jungle trees to buzzing bees. Learn your ABCs with me. Everyone, safari's done, hooray, hooray. We learned our ABCs today. Animals big and small we see on our ABC safari. Ooh.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for doll. E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat. I is for ice cream, J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lamp. M is for moon, N is for net, O is for owl, P is for pet. Q is for queen, R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for train. U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
A,